Level 3 of our resource management maturity model, getting serious. You've officially outgrown Excel, and you've invested in a proper resource management tool. Amazing! For the first time, you can see everyone's capacity and commitments in the same place. Project managers can spot overallocation before it becomes a crisis, and resource managers, they can make actually informed staffing decisions. This is a big deal, and your conversations start to sound different. At level 3, the guesswork is gone. Your team has real data on capacity, availability, and skills. Your developers can move seamlessly between waterfall and agile projects based on business priorities. And when leadership asks, can we deliver this 3 months sooner? You actually have an answer. The business impact is huge. Your projects start with a clear resource plan. 3, 12, 18-month planning, it's all finally possible. In resource conflicts, you're preventing them now, not just managing them. Success at level 3 looks like faster staffing decisions, better utilization without burnout, and resources flowing seamlessly across business priorities. Now the question is getting serious enough? Stay tuned for level 4.